What's the meaning of cow and gate? Cow and gate. Cow and gate.
Cow and gate. Cow and gate. Cow and Gate is a brand of infant food and nutrition products that was established in the United Kingdom in 1901. The name Cow and Gate comes from the fact that the company originally developed a range of milk products for babies and young children, which were made using cow's milk. Over the years, the company expanded its product range to include other baby food and nutrition products. Today, Cow and Gate is a well-known and trusted brand that is used by parents and caregivers across the UK and beyond to provide essential nutrition for infants and young children.